What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, so today I want to simply just set the record straight because I see it's a few people who have an issue with me and a few other people are doing. I'm not really sure who the other people are, but I seen me on the video, watched the video one time, so bear with me if I don't get things extremely accurate, but seen me in the video, so I'm definitely going to address it. All right, number one, I'm not going to fight fire with fire because I really don't know his ordeal with making that video because I don't promote fake documents or anything like that. So I'm not sure who actually he's referring to. But in the video, what he was saying is actually true about all it takes is a phone call for someone to make. And boom, if you are submitting, fake documents or whatever, I feel like we all know what the consequences are, right? Now, what I don't like is the fact that he made it seem like that he was going to be the one, or he couldn't wait until y'all get locked up. That kind of rubbed me the wrong way, all right? And also, I felt like it was more so catered towards being a little irritated that, number one, people was in this space, and number two, that information was given out so people can make money. All right. Now, I'm Credit Guy Frank, if you don't know who I am, and I'm all about helping people get money. Okay. Yes, I'm willing to sacrifice certain ways running out for that to happen. All right. But I'm knowledgeable enough and I'm aware of a lot of different things to where CPs isn't the end all be all. And there will always be a next and a next and a next. Okay, so unless you are operating under one thing or unless you know one thing, then you should be fine to ride a wave, okay? Nothing stays the same in life in general. So while there is a wave and while it will run out eventually, it is important for people to catch on to the wave, okay? So I just want you guys to be very careful because that wasn't really the best thing to do. I don't believe, because I thought we were here to help people and give knowledge, for the people, right? So just be very careful, with any documents you all are submitting and things like that. And also with him, because he kind of rubbed me the wrong way when he was making it seem like he couldn't wait to lock people up. All right. I don't really like to think negatively or anything like that. So like I just said, you guys be careful. Also, I want to set the record straight about my message, all right? And my message is always be make money, build businesses, work together, okay? I always tell you guys, use CPs for quick plays only, all right? Yes, you can be soft with the CP and have it longevity and all that good stuff, right? Yes, you can. But you can use that to make money quick so that you can then start doing different things, such as building businesses the correct way, okay? I don't mean just open up an LLC. I mean opening up a business and actually knowing the direct steps to get funded and things like that, all right? The same amount of time it takes for you to make a CP is the same amount of time it takes to build a business, okay? It also is the same amount of time it takes for you to build your personal credit if it doesn't need cleaning. But if it does need cleaning, that's about an 18 to 40 day process if it needs cleaning. And then you can go on and it takes about 3 months to build your profile, which is standard all across the board. Okay. So make sure you guys are being strategic as always. And also, I actually do like the fact how he, took the Airbnb, section and made his own course. Like right after dissing, he snatched sauce, okay? Just be careful, guys, all right? I'm knowledgeable about cleaning credit, building credit, whether if it's a CP or personal, building businesses, and also building age corporations, okay? Also, knowing how to get funded, which is the important part. It's not just about building, all right? And a lot of you guys, y'all hit me up, right? And you say, well, I know this, I know that, but I just need to learn how to get money, right? And that's literally the most important part. It's not just about building it. It's not just about, man, look, I'm gonna tell you guys something quick. All right. Whoever's telling y'all to get secured cards on profiles, that's not the thing to do. It's not the thing to do. Okay, and I'm gonna simply tell you why. All of my students know this, but if you're not one of my students, if you haven't been one in any of my programs, I'm gonna tell you exactly why you should not get a secured card unless you put down 5 or 10,000. Okay, because when you build a profile out, okay, number one, you need at least 5 accounts. That's number one. Number two, right? When you're building out a profile, I teach to put trade lines on your profile in a way where it's called a progressional file. Okay, so that means that the older the trade line, the lower the money. The newer the trade line, the more money. What that means is if I have a 10-year trade line and a 5-year trade line, my 10-year trade line is going to be $10,000. My 5-year trade line is going to be $20,000. Okay, that means 10 years ago, I had $10,000, right? And then 5 years ago, I got $20,000. That's called a progressional file. You get more as you go. Okay, what people are recommending is for you guys to do that, hopefully in that order if they know what they're doing, but for you guys to do that and then add a secure card a month ago, 2-3 months ago, 6 months ago, right? For $300, $500, telling you, oh, you just need a primary. No, because what is going to happen is, and trust me guys, I dine with underwriters all the time. I know what they're looking at is, okay, 20,000. I mean, okay, 10,000 back here, right? 20,000. And then recently you got $1,000. That makes no sense. All right. So they're going to give you a very small amount just due to the fact that that's what you recently got. Banks trust other banks. Trust me, guys. Banks trust other banks. Trust me that banks trust other banks. All right. Literally, they do. So if they see that it doesn't take a rocket scientist, just put yourself in their shoes. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see, okay, somewhere along the line, whether I see it or not, you didn't do well by your credit because you're getting less limits or you're getting less money now. That's not good. Okay? So if you need the blueprint to building, if you need the blueprint for building CPs, personal, business, anything like that, hit me up. When we have the consultation, which comes with every single package, when we have the consultation, I always advise you guys, look, CPs are for quick plays only. They are not to, some people got y'all thinking that just to rebuild a life and this and that. Yes, you can do different things with it, but I'm telling you guys, building a business is a separate entity. Okay? It's a separate entity. Therefore, it's going to be built when it's built properly as a standalone. All right? So if it's built as a standalone, then that means that you don't need your personal at all. Okay? So it's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video again. And like I said, oh, and the other people that he mentioned in the video, I'm not sure if y'all are doing whatever he was talking about y'all doing, but look, hit me up, man. We can actually work together. We can build together. If you need the documents, if you need the sauce and things like that, because it really is no point to be scamming in this wave. You know what I'm saying? Like, the information is, I mean, it's plain and simple. Like, it's literally plain and simple. The only thing that you need is strategies. Okay? The only thing that you need is strategies. So if y'all want to, y'all can hit me up, man. We can all work together for real, because this is the whole point. This is the whole point in building the community. Like, literally. I don't care what you was doing before. Right? Once you tap in with me, we're gonna be in a whole new direction. We building up. Period. All right. I need to make my team strong as possible. With that, it's gonna be a lot of interviewing, not critical interviewing, right? But I mean, like, interviewing, just talking, dialoguing, right? I don't want nobody working under me. We work together. That's the difference. All right. So ain't no I'm no boss, none of that. We're working together. Literally, we're gonna use each other the same way y'all need me, quote unquote. I need y'all, quote unquote. Literally. So let's all work together. Forget all of the foolishness, all of the nonsense. It's about building up. It's not about keeping no information away from body. All right, so if you in this space, I don't care who you is, whether you teaching, whether you learning, man, tap in with me, man. It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. My info is always in the description. I just had to jump in and set the record straight. Gang.